In this video, I will show you how to easily remove all formulas from Excel sheet but keep the values. I will also show you a cool trick at the end, so make sure to watch the full video. So let's get started. Here, I have an Excel sheet containing monthly expenses for various items. As you can see, in these cells, I have used a formula to calculate the total expenses per month using the sum function. Similarly, these cells contain a formula to calculate the total expenses for an item for all 3 months. Now what I want to do is to remove all the formulas from the Excel sheet, but at the same time I want to keep the values. To do that, click on this triangle to select all the data. We can also use the Ctrl plus Shift plus N shortcut keys to select all the cells. Now copy the selected data using the Ctrl C shortcut. Now go to the Home tab and click the Paste drop-down menu. We are going to select the values and number formatting option here. It will paste all the copied cells as values at the same position along with the cell formatting, thus removing the formulas. As you can see, all the formulas are now removed, but the values are kept as is. We can verify that either by double-clicking the cell or by selecting the cell and seeing the values displayed in the formula bar. We can also do the same thing by selecting the Paste Special option from the Paste menu and then selecting the values and number format option. You can also use the Alt, Ctrl and V shortcut keys to open the Paste Special dialog box directly. There is a very cool trick to remove all the formulas without doing any of this. Select all the cells containing the formulas and move the mouse pointer to the right edge of the column until you see this cursor. Now click the right mouse button and hold it, then drag it to the next column. Do not release the right mouse button yet. Now drag the mouse back to the original column and release the right mouse button. Select the Copy here as Values Only option from the menu. Selecting that option will paste all the formulas as values at the same location. Watch this video to learn how to easily change negative numbers to red and positive numbers to green in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.